Here's a quick Ookii update. It's been a long time since I've done an update on this. I've got a ton of video coming, but just figured it was worth doing a little update and posting something since it's been so long. The car's been painted teal metallic. I got the spoiler mounted up now. It's sort of a test fitment slash storage for those wingtips. Obviously they're not painted. I didn't get around to that yet, so that'll come later. But I needed to reclaim the garage and get the booth all torn down and all that. So the booth is all torn down, obviously, and the wingtips aren't painted. I got a few other little odds and ends that I still have to paint. Nose cone in there, that's going to get installed shortly, in the next couple of minutes, I think. You can see there's already a nice layer of dust from my garage. Apparently, the garage is very dusty. Yeah, so there's the three-piece wing, the Kaminari spoiler. The tips come forward quite a bit. I think the OEM stops right about there. So a lot of extra tip there. And then from the side, that's huge. I mean, the OEM one kind of cuts off there, so a lot of extra wing hanging off the back. Also got a nice little flare up. So, yeah. Never mind the runs in the paint job. That'll get fixed later. That was, yeah, well, subscribe. You'll see the developments of that later. So we've got just a little bit of mismatch in height there, but overall the fitment is pretty good on this spoiler. It doesn't mount real well, if I'm honest. The factory mounts aren't quite right, or rather the wing mounts aren't quite right. But yeah, there you go. I thought this might be a good little update. I always wanted to see more content of the Kaminari spoiler, so this is a good piece of evidence for it, I guess. One of the fitments that I don't like, I mean, you can kind of see that. I can't really fix that. That's just kind of how it is. Short of like totally reshaping that piece of fiberglass, but you know, that's not going to happen. So it looks really nice. The fit isn't as good as I wanted. This side fits a lot better. But overall, I like it. It looks good. I kept the old spoiler, so I'll have that if I want to put it back. But there you go. Subscribe if you haven't already. A lot more updates coming once I get time to edit. Obviously, we've got just a ton of work that's been done that hasn't been posted. So watch out for an update. From here on out, I'll try and document a little better. I've got a lot of the documentation done, just haven't posted. So stay tuned, and you'll see everything come back together. We're reupholstering most of the interior. Wheels, brakes, tires, all the fun stuff. Suspension, we're doing air cups. That's the plan as of now. And then engine build to follow. Stay tuned.